Bimal Roy, the master storyteller of Indian cinema. Bimal Roy, an illustrious Indian filmmaker, is celebrated for his profound contributions to Indian cinema. Renowned for his storytelling prowess, humanistic themes, and pioneering cinematic techniques, Roy's films have left an indelible mark on Indian cinema. His works, such as Do Bigha Zameen, Devdas, and Bandini, are revered for their artistic brilliance and socio-political commentary. Early life and background. Bimal Roy was born on July 12, 1909, in Swapur, Dhaka, then part of British India, now Bangladesh. Raised in a middle-class Bengali family, Roy developed an early interest in photography and art. After the premature death of his father, Roy moved to Calcutta, now Kolkata, where he started his career as an assistant cameraman at New Theatres, a leading film studio. His early work under the tutelage of legendary directors like P.C. Barwa and Nitin Bose significantly influenced his filmmaking style. Transition to directing. Roy's directorial debut came with the Bengali film Udaya Pathe, 1944, a critical and commercial success. The film's realistic portrayal of social issues and human emotions marked the beginning of Roy's journey as a filmmaker dedicated to exploring the depths of the human condition. The success of Udaya Pathe paved the way for Roy's transition to Hindi cinema, where he would create some of his most iconic works. Hallmark films and directorial style. Bimal Roy's filmography is distinguished by its thematic depth, technical innovation, and emotional resonance. His films often focused on the struggles of the marginalized and depicted social realities with empathy and authenticity. Do Bigha Zameen, 1953, Roy's first major Hindi film, Do Bigha Zameen, is a landmark in Indian cinema. The film, inspired by Italian neorealism, tells the story of a poor farmer's struggle to save his land from a greedy landlord. Its stark realism, powerful narrative, and compelling performances earned it critical acclaim and numerous awards, including the International Prize at the 1954 Cannes Film Festival. The film's impact extended beyond its artistic success, highlighting socio-economic issues and influencing future generations of filmmakers. Devdas, 1955, Roy's adaptation of Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel, Devdas, remains one of the most iconic versions of the tragic tale. Starring Dilip Kumar, Vaijayanti Mala, and Suchitra Sen, the film's lush cinematography, evocative music, and deeply emotional performances captured the essence of the doomed romance. Devdas solidified Roy's reputation as a master storyteller capable of bringing literary classics to life on screen. Madhumati, 1958, a pioneering film in the supernatural genre, Madhumati combined elements of reincarnation, romance, and mystery. The film's innovative narrative structure, hauntingly beautiful music by Salil Chaudhary, and atmospheric cinematography by Dilip Gupta made it a critical and commercial success. Madhumati also influenced future films in the genre and showcased Roy's versatility as a director. Sujata, 1959, Sujata is a poignant exploration of caste discrimination and human dignity. Starring Nutan and Sunil Dutt, the film tells the story of an untouchable girl raised by a Brahmin family. Roy's sensitive handling of the subject, combined with Nutan's powerful performance, made Sujata a significant film in addressing social issues through cinema. Bandini, 1963, considered one of Roy's finest works, Bandini tells the story of Kalyani, a woman imprisoned for a crime of passion. Starring Nutan in one of her career-defining roles, the film's narrative weaves themes of love, sacrifice, and redemption. Roy's direction, along with S.D. Burman's evocative music and Nabendu Ghosha's screenplay, created a cinematic masterpiece that won several awards, including the National Film Award for Best Feature Film. Directorial style and themes. Bimal Roy's directorial style is characterized by its lyrical realism, empathetic portrayal of characters, and social consciousness. His films often highlighted the plight of the underprivileged and addressed issues such as poverty, caste discrimination, and gender inequality. Roy's ability to blend realism with poetic storytelling and his innovative use of cinematography and music set him apart as a visionary filmmaker. Lyrical realism. Roy's films are known for their realistic portrayal of human struggles and societal issues, often depicted with a lyrical, almost poetic quality. This blend of realism and lyricism is evident in films like Do Bigha Zameen and Bandhani, where the harsh realities of life are portrayed with emotional depth and visual beauty. Empathetic characters. Roy's characters are often deeply empathetic and multidimensional, reflecting the complexities of human emotions and relationships. His ability to elicit nuanced performances from his actors added authenticity and depth to his films, making them resonate with audiences. Social commentary. Throughout his career, Roy used cinema as a medium to address pressing social issues. Whether it was the exploitation of farmers in Do Bigha Zameen, the caste system in Sujata, or the psychological trauma of women in Bandhani, Roy's films were a mirror to the socio-political landscape of his time. Awards and recognition. Bimal Roy's contributions to Indian cinema have been widely recognized, both nationally and internationally. He won several awards, including multiple Filmfare Awards and the prestigious National Film Award for Best Feature Film for Bandhani. His films were also screened and honored at international film festivals, bringing Indian cinema to a global audience. Legacy. Bimal Roy's legacy in Indian cinema is profound and enduring. His pioneering approach to filmmaking, commitment to social issues, and ability to tell compelling human stories have left a lasting impact on Indian cinema. Roy's films continue to be studied and celebrated for their artistic and social significance. Inspiration to filmmakers. Roy's work has inspired generations of filmmakers, including notable directors like Satyajit Ray, Hrishikesh Mukherjee, and Gulzar. His emphasis on realism, narrative depth, and social relevance set a benchmark for quality cinema. Cultural impact. Roy's films have transcended time and continue to resonate with audiences. They are considered classics of Indian cinema, reflecting the socio-cultural fabric of their era while remaining relevant to contemporary issues. Preservation and retrospectives. Efforts to preserve and restore Roy's films ensure that his legacy endures for future generations. Retrospectives and screenings of his work in film festivals and institutions around the world highlight his global impact and contribution to the art of cinema. Personal life. Bimal Roy was married to Manobina Roy, and the couple had 4 children. Despite his professional success, Roy led a relatively private and humble life. He was known for his dedication to his craft, his gentle demeanor, and his unwavering commitment to telling meaningful stories through cinema. Conclusion. Bimal Roy remains a towering figure in Indian cinema, whose visionary storytelling and commitment to social issues have left an indelible mark on the industry. His films, characterized by their lyrical realism, empathetic characters, and profound social commentary, continue to inspire and captivate audiences. As a master storyteller and a pioneer of realistic cinema, Bimal Roy's legacy endures, cementing his place as one of the greatest filmmakers in the history of Indian cinema.